Just like a mother's love, a child can rest therein and be secure. I can be that and much more if you only have a chance. Standing here, outstretched hands, you got to understand. If you only look my way, hear the words I say. I offer you my love. How long must I wait? Right here, waiting for you. I am here. With the love unconditional, yeah. I am here. Right here, waiting for you. To and fro, here and there, looking for love everywhere. I'm the missing piece to your puzzle. Like, why can't you see that I care? How many tears do you cry? How many disappointments before you realize I am what you need? Give my love a try. Standing right here with outstretched hands, you got to understand. If you only look my way, hear the words I say. I offer you real love. How long must I wait? Right here, waiting for you. I am here. The love unconditional, yeah. I am here. Right here, waiting. Tell me, why do you insist on loving me from a distance? I offer you my love, but still there is resistance. Draw nigh unto me, and I'll draw nigh to you. There's nothing that I wouldn't do for you. I lay down my life to prove my love in you. Stop in my voice, take a look around, seek my face while I yet may be found. Hey, come closer. I'm still waiting.
Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go through the song I Am Here by Commissioned in the key of F sharp. Okay, let's go through the intro and the chords of the verse. That is the intro. You're going to be playing a B minor chord on top of F sharp. Then you're going to resolve to F sharp. Then you're going to play this lick here. And then B minor over F sharp again to F sharp. Okay, then we're going to go to a D flat 9 sus4 to also a D flat 11, the 4 being the 11. Okay, here we go. Then we're going to play so you're going to start this F sharp major 7. can also make it a major 9 by adding the A flat there for a little flavor. So, to a B flat minor 7, B major 9, and I like to keep that melody note on top. Then we're going to go to this D flat 11 again. Then we're going to go to an E flat minor 9. It's like playing an F sharp major 7 on top of E flat. Right? Then F sharp over D flat. B major 9 again. Okay. Then moving on, F sharp major 7, B flat minor 7, B major 9 again, D flat 9 is sus4. All same chords. Now we're going to add in A flat minor 7. Now I'm used to adding in sometimes the 4 for a little extra color, the 11. And then we're going to go to D flat 11 again. Okay, then we're going to go to okay, and then that's how we get to the chorus, I am here. So, let's go back to where we just were. So, F sharp major 7, B flat minor 7, B major 9, D flat 11, then E flat minor, B flat minor 7, A flat minor 7, D flat 9 sus. Then, this is the section where he's saying, standing here, outstretched hands. Okay? So we're playing that E flat minor 9 to A flat minor 7, back to E flat minor 9. Then we're going to do a B major 9, D flat 9 to F sharp major 7. Okay? Then we're going to walk up, A flat minor 7, B flat minor 7, B major 9, D flat 11. Now, this very nice and very important chord for this song, you're going to be playing a C9 sharp 11. Now, a way that I like to remember a 9 sharp 11 chord, which is a great passing chord, thinking I'm playing a dominant chord, which this is the name of the chord, it's in the root, so you're going to be playing a C dominant. Now I want you to think a whole step from the root is D, right? I want you to play an augmented chord. So D augmented. So those two chords together are making that 9 sharp 11 chord. And you can use that principle anywhere. Play any dominant chord. You can play A, think a whole step up, playing that B, play a nice... See? So, anyway, just throwing a little theory in there. So, now we're going to go to the vamp, or the chorus. In this case, I am here. These are chords you've already played. Right here waiting for it. So, you're doing 3 progressions, similar. So the first time you're going to go to this C 9 sharp 11, then it's B, D flat, E flat. Next time you're going to go to the C, then it's a B, D flat, F sharp, then E flat. Then it's E flat again, yep. And then they're going to go to A flat, D flat, which is it's really just a 2-5-1, and then we go back to the intro of the song. Then you're going to repeat this entire segment again, just like you saw at the beginning of the video. So let me go to the bridge. So after you go, let's see, I am here, right here, waiting for you. Now I really love this series of chords. You're gonna go to after you've learned this series of chords, everything else in the song is a repeat. So, let me slow this bridge section down so you can get these nice changes here. So, we're in a nice key of F sharp. So, we're going to the flat 5. We're playing a minor 7 flat 5 chord on the flat 5 chord. So, minor 7 flat 5. Okay, now we're playing a D flat chord over B. So it's like a D flat 7 over B. Okay, then a B flat minor 7 to an E flat minor 7. Now this is real nice. It's just an alteration of the same progression. Now you're going to play an A flat chord over C instead of the minor 7 flat 5. You're here. Now I love this. Here's another 9 sharp 11 chord. So see, this is a B dominant 7, right? But I'm playing a whole step. Right? It's like you're either playing a D flat augmented, or another way you can look at it, you're doing a whole step up, or you're doing a whole step down. So, I mean by saying that is a whole step down of any note, or this note, B is going to be A, so play an augmented chord. Whole step down, play an augmented A, or you can play an augmented D flat. Okay, moving on. Another B flat minor chord, then E flat minor 7. Now, third time around, you're going to play C minor 7 flat 5. Now you're going to play an F dominant. I like the sharp 5. You can also just do regular F7. Okay, then B flat minor 7 to E flat minor 7. Then A flat minor 7, B flat minor 7, B major 9, E flat minor 9. These are all the same exact voicings as before. A flat minor 7, B minor 7, B, D flat 9. And then the end of the song is going to be a repeat of the vamp. We're going to go back to this chord here. I am here. This is how the song plays out. Repeat as wanted. There you go. That is I Am Here by Commissioned. Thank you guys so much. I'll be back with some more tutorials, sheet music, and MIDI files. Hey, please check out my website, juleskane.com. Make sure you subscribe up there. I'm adding 2 to 3 new sheet music files and MIDI files each week, and I will be going further into different music theory exercises and different courses I'll be adding up there in the coming months. So stay tuned, and thank you guys so much for the support. God bless.